Welcome to Fitness Feast. Today we're making a popular and beloved street food from Nepal, Nepali-style Pani Puri. This crunchy, spicy, and tangy treat is perfect for any occasion. Let's dive into the recipe. Ingredients. For the puri, 1 cup semolina, 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour, a pinch of baking soda, a pinch of salt, 1/4 cup warm water or as needed, and oil for deep frying. For the pani, spicy water, 1 cup tamarind pulp, 1/4 cup chopped fresh coriander leaves, 1/4 cup chopped fresh mint leaves, 2 to 3 green chilies, adjust to taste, 1 tablespoon roasted cumin powder, 1 teaspoon chaat masala, 1 teaspoon black salt, 1 teaspoon sugar, or to taste, and 4 cups cold water. For the filling, 1 cup boiled chickpeas, 1 cup boiled potatoes, diced, 1/2 cup finely chopped onions, 1/2 cup finely chopped tomatoes, 1/2 cup finely chopped fresh coriander, and salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. 1. Prepare the puri. In a mixing bowl, combine semolina, all-purpose flour, baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Gradually add warm water and knead into a smooth dough. Cover and let it rest for 15 minutes. After resting, roll out the dough as thinly as possible on a floured surface. Use a small round cutter to cut out circles, around 2 inches in diameter. Heat oil in a deep frying pan over medium heat. Fry the puris in batches until they puff up and become golden brown. Remove with a slotted spoon and drain on paper towels. 2. Make the pani. Blend the tamarind pulp, coriander leaves, mint leaves, and green chilies in a blender until smooth. Add the roasted cumin powder, chaat masala, black salt, sugar, and blend again. Pour the mixture into a large bowl and add the cold water. Stir well and adjust seasoning if needed. Chill in the refrigerator. All right, let's move on to preparing the filling. In a large bowl, mix together boiled chickpeas, diced potatoes, onions, tomatoes, and fresh coriander. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Now, it's time to assemble the pani puri. Gently crack a small hole in the center of each puri. Then, spoon a small amount of the filling into each puri. Finally, carefully pour the chilled spicy water, or pani, into each puri. Serve the pani puri immediately after assembling to ensure the puris remain crispy. Enjoy this delightful treat with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this Nepali-style pani puri recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. See you next time.